Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Do you want to visit HORO PRO LAKE? It is located in THANGBULI, okay? If you want to visit here, it's a very good place. I can't believe, okay? It is located in THANGBULI. If you want to visit, just message me. I will send you a location. See, a viewpoint is this only, okay? If you bring a photographer like that, a good phone, you will get to make a video reels like that, okay? This HORO PRO Lake is very good place to visit, okay? What you waiting for? Just visit THANGBULI HORO PRO Lake is a good to shooting, to acting, Instagram, okay? You will get more follower, more like, more view, okay? Don't forget to visit this because it's a very good place, okay? So lada kunta lada pi kwah ban visit sa visit sa khut ki hmen ki para jong phi ki paralak para jor jong phi te share kan ek video sa ki paralak jong phi bakin tip ba kan ne ga don ha THANGBULI, okay? Te ki bro ki bana baru bakin yo ban wan jngok kai king bakin la ban how to say, or people also when they see this video they will get to travel, they will come to visit this HORO PRO Lake. And then so don't forget to share to anybody and then share your friend also, okay? So the main things is shooting, acting like that only, but don't forget to like, share, subscribe my video, okay? Te menta ngila late no nang to pay kaching itanan de te nga ong yai tu para jang le hai tang ba kum te par sing thu re number bai dang thana mo de ra I para jang okay? Te hadinang to ya yai kai namar kadai ka sinong kong yang mo bangan poi sa kaneka HORO PRO Lake tingarong nga comment ba bangan yo one kai sane. It is my first time I visit here, okay? So I take some picture here because I will remember, okay? So I take a picture with my brother, sister, okay? With my little sister. So because I will remember her and him, okay? I will remember us. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment my video. Thank you for your watching.